Welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about guys how can we pair guys Bluetooth headphones. Guys we have guys your Bluetooth headphone and guys you want to pair with your phone. So guys how can you pair? In this video friends I am going to show you guys. So before starting video friends first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon and like my video fans. So first of all guys we will on our phone setting and before starting video fans open guys on your Bluetooth headphones. So I have already guys. So guys on your headphones, Bluetooth headphone, and guys click on your phone Bluetooth setting guys. So once you will have to enable your Bluetooth, so we will enable our phone Bluetooth. After enable guys, you can see your headphone name. So I have guys this Preton BT company headphone available device. I will tap here to pair. You can see pairing and Bluetooth pairing request pair with Preton BT allow access to contacts and call long. So guys right side tap here to pair. Guys your headphone will pair and guys you can use while watching movies, serials, cartoons, listening song. And guys you can see guys your battery percent you want to check. So you can check from I have 100%. So like that guys we can pair our Bluetooth headphone with our phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. We will meet on next video. Bye bye friends.